Have you ever broken off things with your partner only to find out that they wanted to get back together with you all along? Maybe this is good news, and you wanted to repair things with your ex and get back together too. If you had known they felt the same way, you could have talked through your problems earlier and stayed together. Or maybe you didn't want to get back together. If you had noticed the hints they were dropping about their lingering feelings for you, you could have made it clear to them that things wouldn't be able to work out again. Whichever the case may be, here are 7 proven signs your ex wants you back. 1. You receive drunk calls and/or texts from them. You're resting cozy in your bed, settled down after a long and busy day, when suddenly your phone lights up. You reach out to find a new text from your ex. Turns out their 3 a.m. texts may be more than just a drunk stupor. Their drunk texts show they're thinking of you, and being under the influence just gives them more courage to express what they're really feeling. According to a 2011 study, the most common reason people make drunken phone calls is to confess their feelings, especially those of love. Your ex's true feelings in those drunken calls could be true, and their drinking gave them the liquid courage to tell you. Confident enough to confess their unconditional love for you through a slurred speech and hiccup at 3 a.m. 2. They mirror you and show open body language. Oftentimes, when you mimic another's behavior and gestures, it means you like them. This mimicry of others is called the chameleon effect, and this can be a more subconscious way to show someone that you favor them. People like themselves. If your ex is still showing very open body language, holding eye contact, and mimicking your behaviors as well, it could be a sign they subconsciously still have feelings for you. 3. They often bring up fondly shared memories. Let's say you meet up with your ex or run into them at a bar. What do you two find yourselves talking about? If your ex continuously brings up fondly shared memories, it could be a hint that they not only miss those moments spent with you, but in turn, they miss you as well. By highlighting the good times you spent together, they are trying to get you to remember what made your relationship work and what was great about the both of you. Perhaps it's a way for them to try and win you back. 4. They maintain a friendship after your breakup. Yes, some couples can still be friends after a breakup. But if you find yourself talking to them more than your other friends, maybe you're more than friends, or at least heading there. Your ex may be trying to reconnect with you as a friend first, before trying to get back together. If you work as friends and were once attached to each other, what's to stop you from getting together in the future? 5. They ask others about you. If you hear from your family and friends that your ex has been asking about you, there may be a good reason. Odds are your ex is trying to find out your relationship status, or more likely, they are trying to gauge if you still miss them or not. If your friends and family tell them that you do miss them, don't be surprised if they come knocking on your door in hopes of a reconciliation. 6. Liking and commenting more on your social media. Did you and your ex decide to be friends after a breakup? Perhaps you still comment and like each other's posts on social media. If you find your ex is commenting more than they did when you were together, it may mean they're throwing some hints at you. If they're complimenting your social media posts, it may mean they want to be more than just friends. 7. They're taking action to change, and they let you know. Is your ex suddenly taking action after your breakup? They're making some noticeable changes in their life that draw you in, and going out of their way to let you know they've changed. They post on social media about their personal growth, or text you as just a friend that they've improved on their bad habits that once drove a wedge in your relationship. If they're changing and they want you to know first and foremost, it may be a sign they're doing it for you. So, have you noticed any of these signs in your ex? Or perhaps you've noticed some of these signs in yourself? Let us know in the comments below. Please like and share this video if it helped you and you think it could help someone else too. The studies and references used are listed in the description below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more Psych2Go videos. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.